So hello everyone. A drink called the tiger nut drink. So in the part of the northern part of the country, it's called kunu aya, but the English name is called tiger nut drink. So I want to prepare this drink for the family. It's a natural drink. So I have with me the tiger nut already washed. This is the dried one. We have the fresh one, we have the dried one. So but for me, I prefer to use the dried one. So it's already washed, properly washed. Then I have some stuffs here that I will be mixing together with the tiger nut to grind it to produce the tiger nut drink. So I have with me coconut. I've already washed the coconut. So I'll be putting coconut inside. So I have dates. It's also called, in Hausa it is called debino. So this is dates. I'll be adding my dates to it. Then this is banana, fresh banana. I'll be adding banana into this. And I also have fresh chopped ginger. So I'll be putting ginger into it. Then this is groundnut paste. Yes, if you have your fresh groundnut, you can put your fresh groundnut. That's the one, because me, I made my own groundnut into a paste. I prepared the groundnut paste by myself. But if you don't want your groundnuts to be made into a paste, you can just put your normal groundnuts into it. But I made my own into a paste. So I'll be putting my groundnut paste into it. In this tiger nut drink, I don't put sugar, no additive, no preservative, no color. So everything here is natural. So I'll be adding all into the tiger nut. Then I will grind it and I will sieve ready for drinking. You see, even as I'm squeezing it, it's very thick. Very thick. Then when you finish washing it like this, you can get ice cubes. Yeah, you can have your ice cubes and just put it inside. Your tiger nut drink is ready and you're good to go. Yeah. Yeah, so this is it. And even, you know, one thing about this drink, even the chaff is also very, very good. If you have the livestock, if you have goats, cow, sheep, even chicken in the house, you can also give them this. I'm telling you, your livestock will also look very healthy. So nothing at all about this is a waste. Nothing at all about this is a waste. My tiger nut drink is ready. Very ready. You can put ice cubes, yeah, if you want to put ice cubes inside. But this is it. Tiger nut drink, also known as kunu aya. This is not the usual kunu aya, you know. This is not the regular tiger nut drink that you know. We also the ingredients that makes up this tiger nut drink. I'm telling you, and I have my bean cake here. The normal bean cake is, you know, this is bean cake we go Harvard, and this is tiger nut drink we go Harvard. Please try it with your family. The experience will be very awesome.